Why let knives have all the fun? These pumpkin crafts are perfect for little hands. Stick, press, and smile. No cuts involved. Okay, quick plan. Hook, demo, ta-da. Step 1. Paint power. Put a washable acrylic on a palette. Put a washable tempera on a palette. Hand a small foam brush to your kid. You hold the pumpkin steady. Let them do big, bold strokes. Polka dots, stripes, a rainbow swirl. Imperfect is adorable. Step 2. Sticker faces. Grab big googly eyes. Grab foam shapes. Grab seasonal stickers. Have your kid choose eyes, nose, mouth. Let them build an expression. For extra durability, press a bit of craft glue on each sticker edge. No sharp tools, all smiles. Step 3. Felt cap magic. Cut simple hat shapes from felt. Adults only. Cut simple hair shapes. Adults only. Hand over a glue stick or tacky dots, and let little fingers press the felt onto the pumpkin's crown. Instant character, beanie, witch hat, or fluffy mohawk. Quick combo tip, mix methods. Paint a background, add sticker eyes, top with felt accessories. Cleanup is fast. White paintable pumpkins, small foam pumpkins make life easier. Final, ta-da, and done. 3 safe, super simple ways to decorate pumpkins with kids. No knives, lots of laughs, and a gallery-ready lineup in under an hour. Try one of these today and tag me with your tiny artist pumpkin. Ta-da!